Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. Today we're going to be making a cold cauliflower salad. It is absolutely amazing. It's so bright, it's so refreshing, and it's so flavorful and delicious. I think that you're really going to like it. You're going to need a head of cauliflower, some olives that have the pimentos in them, some red wine vinegar, a red onion, and a green bell pepper. I've already washed my cauliflower and I've taken the green leaves off of it. I'm going to go ahead and break it up into smaller pieces. I'm going to wash it again and then we're going to put it in a bowl. You're going to need about half of this green bell pepper, small bites. And then we're going to use about a fourth to a half a cup of this red onion. You're also going to need about a good half to 3/4 cup of the green olives that have the pimento in them, pimento stuffed. I'm going to add a good amount of black pepper, just because I like it so well. And then you're going to add about a half a cup of the red wine vinegar dressing. You don't want to inundate it in it. You don't want your salad swimming. You want just enough to flavor it. Now tell me that isn't absolutely beautiful. Now you need to put it in the refrigerator for an hour to 2 hours before serving. That way all the flavors can marry. I just wish I would have got a bigger head of cauliflower. That way I could have made a whole lot more. Now I think I've waited long enough. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. I'm telling you what, it's phenomenal. You know I love you guys very much. I appreciate you. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.